in last video, we have solved some problems from the exercise 3.2b. The problems were of the type that is integrals of the form integration of 1 upon a plus b sin x with respect to x, integration of 1 upon a plus b cos x with respect to x. Okay students, so to solve such type of integrals, we substitute tan of x by 2 equal to t, and accordingly we find out value of sin x, value of cos x, and then substitute in the problem and simplify the problem. But now again in the same exercise, that is exercise 3.2b, there are some problems related to, that is integral of the form a plus b sin of 2x. Instead of sin of x, there is sin of 2x. Cos of 2x, that is integration of 1 upon a plus b cos of 2x with respect to x. Integration of 1 upon a plus b sin of 2x cos of 2x with respect to x. Okay students, by same method, that is by substitution, we have to substitute tan of x equal to t. While in that type of integrals we have substituted, that is tan of x by 2 equal to t. Here tan of x equal to t, and whatever is our substitution we differentiate, that is sec square x equal to sec square x dx equal to dt, and therefore this is dt by dx. Therefore dx equal to dt upon sec square of x. But students, we know the formula, that is 1 plus tan square x. By the same way, 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. Okay, so here dx equal to dt upon 1 plus sec square of x. Okay students, so 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. So here put the value of sec square x, that is 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square of x, and that is 1 plus tan square of x. Now put the value of, from here, tan x equal to t, and hence dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square, dt upon 1 plus t square. This is the value of dx in given integral. Now this value, that is sin of 2x, cos of 2x, let us find out the value according to given substitution. So students, we know the formula, that is sin of 2x in terms of tan formula, that is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. So put here the value, we will get sin of 2x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, this is the formula for sin of, or this is the substitution, by using substitution, value of sin of x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Now similarly, we know the formula for cos of 2x in terms of tan, that is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x, and hence that is cos of 2x, the value is 2t upon 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. These are the values of sin x, sin of 2x, cos of 2x, and the value of dx. Okay students, so in this way we have to substitute or to find out the value. Now let us solve such type of problem. The problem is that evaluate the integral, that is integration of 1 upon 3 minus 2 cos of 2x with respect to x. Okay students, so just such type of problem we give the substitution. The substitution is that put tan x equal to t, then we have found out the value of dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. Then sine of 2x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos of 2x equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. By using all these values, we have to simplify the above integral so that it will be easily integrable. Okay, so this is the integration. By using this, we have to solve. So let put the value. Put tan x equal to t. Students, there is not necessary to write the detailed procedure. Only you have to write, put tan x equal to t, then dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. If there is cos of 2x or sine of 2x, whatever is the function, according to that give their values. And for this substitution or for all these things, there is 1 mark for this step. And therefore now the integration becomes, that is 1 upon 3 minus 2 cos of 2x with respect to x. So put the value of dx. The value of dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square divided by 3 minus 2 into the value of cos of 2x. Cos of 2x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so at denominator the LCM is there. At denominator we have to find out the LCM. LCM is 1 plus t square, and hence integration I equal to, that is dt upon 1 plus t square divided by 3 into 1, that is 3 plus 3t square minus 2 minus plus 2t square, and this is equal to upon 1 plus t square. So this 1 plus t square get cancelled, and now integration with respect to t, that is 3t square plus 2t square, that is 5t square. Okay, then this 3 minus 2, that is plus 1. 3 minus 2, that is plus 1. Okay, and now so from denominator, divide the denominator by 5 so that the coefficient of t square will be 1. So 1 by 5 with respect to t upon 5t square upon 5 is t square only, and that is 1 plus 1 upon 5. And now the integration I equal to 1 by 5 1 upon t square plus 1 upon root 5 whole square with respect to t. And now this is of the form, the integration is of the form, that is 1 upon a square plus x square with respect to x, and the integration is 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration c. Okay, and therefore here the answer is, that is the answer is integration I 1 upon 5 as it is, 1 by a, the value of a is 1 upon root 5, that is 1 by a means 1 upon 1 by root 5 into tan inverse of x means t, x by a is 1 by root 5 plus constant of integration c. So root 5 here, 5 is root 5 into 5, and that is 1 upon root 5 tan inverse of root 5 t upon 1 plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t, and hence the answer is, that is integration 1 upon root 5, the answer is 1 upon 5 tan inverse of 5 into tan of x plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problem, and this is the solution for given integration. Okay, now let us take another example. The example is that evaluate the integration that is integration of 1 upon 2 sine of 2x minus 3 with respect to x. Okay students, again here put to solve this type of integral. Now by using method, that is integration of 1 upon a sine of 2x plus b or a cos of 2x plus b, by using that, first put tan of x equal to t. For this substitution we get the value of dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square, and for this the value of sine of 2x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so by using all these we can solve the integral. Okay, now the integration are equal to the value of dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay, divided by 2 into the value of sine of 2x is 2t upon 1 plus t square minus 3, and hence the LCM at denominator will be 1 plus t square, and therefore this is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square divided by 2 into 2, that is 4t, minus 3 into 1, that is 3, and plus 3t square with respect to t upon 1 plus t square. This 1 plus t square get cancelled, and now our integral is, that is integration of dt upon 4t minus 3 minus 3t square. Okay, and now by the special type of integral, so let us take the negative sign outside the bracket. At denominator we will get integration of that is minus 3, and now minus, take negative sign outside the bracket, 3t square minus 4t. Okay students, in this way we have to solve. Okay, now let us divide by 3. Okay, let us divide by 3 so that the coefficient of t square will be 1. Therefore 1 by 3 integration with respect to t, and that is 3 by 3 is minus 1 minus 3t square upon 3 is t square, and minus 4 by 3t, and therefore now we have integration I equal to 1 by 3 integration with respect to t minus 1 minus t square minus 4 by 3t. Okay, now for completing square, adjust the term. We have to adjust the term. Therefore, by using formula, that is b by a whole square upon 4, that is 4 by 3 whole square upon 4, and that is equal to 16 by 9 divided by 4, and we have to adjust the term 4 by 9. We have to adjust the term 4 by 9. Okay, and this is equal to the term, that is minus 1 minus t square minus 4 by 3t. For completing the square, we will adjust 4 by 9. So here that is minus 1 minus t square minus 4 by 3t plus 4 by 9 means plus 4 by 9 and minus 4 by 9 we have to adjust. But see students, outside the bracket there is negative sign and therefore that means plus minus minus. So here we have adjusted the minus 4 by 9 and that's why here we have to adjust it now the plus 4 by 9. We have to adjust plus 4 by 9. Okay. This is minus, this is plus. And now according to this, take down the calculations. Okay. Minus 1 plus 4 by 9 and that is minus 5 by 9. This is minus 1 plus 4 by 9. The calculation will be that is minus 5 by 9. This is minus 5 by 9. The calculation of this term and this term, that is minus 5 by 9 and this is minus the complete square of t minus 2 by 3 whole square. So students, take the negative side outside, that is from here and from here. Take the negative sign outside, we will get that is minus sign, that is 5 by 9 plus t minus 2 by 3 whole square. Okay, and in this way we have adjusted the term. Now the integration are equal to 1 by 3 integration with respect to t, that is minus 1 minus t square minus 4 by 3t and that is equal to 1 by 3 as a constant integration with respect to t. Integration with respect to t. The term minus sign outside and that is 5 by 9 plus t minus 2 by 3 whole square with respect to t. And now we can write this as 1 by 3, the negative sign common out, that is minus integration with respect to t, and this is square of root 5 by 3 whole square. We can write this in this way and plus t minus 2 by 3 whole square. And this is integration of the form. This is integration of the form, that is 1 upon a square plus x square with respect to x, and its integration is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. By using this we can find out the integration. And this is minus 1 by 3 as a constant. 1 by a means 1 upon root 5 by 3. 1 by a root 5 by 3 tan inverse of x by a. X means here t minus 2 by 3 divided by root 5 by 3 plus constant of integration c. These 3 get cancelled and that is minus 1 upon root 5 tan inverse of simplify the terms t into 3, that is 2t minus 3 upon root 5 and divided by 3 get cancelled plus constant of integration c. Now resubstitute the value of t. Hence integration of 1 upon 2 sine of 2x minus 3 with respect to x, okay, and that is equal to minus 1 upon root 5 tan inverse of put the value of t, that is 2 into tan of x minus 3 upon root 5 plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, This is the method. By using that we have to solve the problem. Okay. Now the next problem is that evaluate the integration, that is integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sine of 2x plus 4 cos of 2x with respect to x. Okay students, also this problem, to solve this type of integral we have to put tan x equal to t. Then after differentiating, we differentiate, then after differentiation we get the value of dx, that is dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. Then value of sine of 2x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, and value of cos of 2x, that is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So putting all this value related to substitution, our problem will be simplified. Okay student, this is, by using this the problem gets simplified into, that is integration 1 upon 3 plus 2 sine of 2x plus 4 cos of 2x with respect to x, and this is equal to that is the value of dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, and now upon 3 plus 2 into the value of sine of 2x is 2t upon 1 plus t square plus 4 into the value of cos of 2x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square with respect to t. Okay, now this is equal to integration of dt upon 1 plus t square. So take the LCM at denominator, and that is 1 plus t square, multiply with 3, that is at the denominator of 3 is 1, that's why 3 into 1 is 3 plus t square plus 2 into 2 is 4t plus 4 into 1, that is 4, minus 4t square upon 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, the term at n and d get cancelled, and now we have integration with respect to t, that is 3t square minus 4t square is minus t square plus 4t and plus 7. Okay, in this way. Now to simplify the integral, so at denominator take the negative sign common, the plus 7 is here, and in one bracket, out of bracket take the negative sign, so that the t square term will be positive minus 4t. So we have, according to our simplification or according to our convenience, we have written the problem like this. Now to adjust the terms, that is, now we have 7 minus t square minus 4t. To completing the square, let us adjust the term, that is by using formula, that is b by a whole square. B by a is 4 here, that is square of 4 is 16, 4 square divided by 4, and therefore we have to adjust the term 4. Okay, we have to adjust the term 4, and therefore we can write this, that is 7 minus t square minus 4t plus 4 and minus 4, that we have to adjust. But see students, because of negative sign out of the bracket, here the minus 4 we have adjusted, and now the plus 4 here we have adjusted. So 7 plus 4 is root 11. this is root 11, and minus this is 7 into 4 is 11, that is 11, and minus this is the square term, that is t minus 2 whole square. Okay, this is t minus 2 whole square. Now let us simplify, that is in this way the term integration with respect to t, 7 minus t square minus 4t, we can write this as integration with respect to t, that is we have adjusted like this, this is equal to 11 minus t minus 2 whole square, and this is also we can write by special integral formula, that is square root of 11 whole square minus t minus 2 whole square, and this is of the form, integration of the form 1 upon a square minus x square with respect to x, and its integration is 1 upon 2a log of 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x, a plus x upon a minus x plus constant of integration c. By using this formula we have to, and hence the integration is with respect to t, that is square root of 11 whole square minus t minus 2 whole square with respect to t, that is 1 upon 2a, means 1 upon 2 root 11. Root 11 is a log of a plus x. A means root 11 plus x. X means t minus 2 upon root 11 minus t minus 2 plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t, and hence the integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x plus 4 cos 2x with respect to x is 1 upon 2 root 11 log of root 11 plus value of t is tan of x minus 2 upon root 11 minus tan of x minus 2 plus constant of integration c, and hence in this way we have solved the problem. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the problem. Now let us solve another example. The another example is that evaluate the integration of 1 upon cos of x minus root 3 sin of x with respect to x. Okay students, let us solve this example. That is, the problem is that, let us solve this example. So put the value of cos x and the value of sin x. Means for that, put here single angle is there, sin of x is there, that's why tan of x by 2 equal to t. This is substitution. Put tan of x by 2 equal to t, and that's why the value of dx in this case is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay, then value of cos x is, that is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and value of sin x is 2t upon 1 plus t square. By using all this value, simplify the above problem. Okay. And now the problem, the value, that is integral become, that is integration of 1 upon cos of x minus root 3 sin x with respect to x, and this is equal to the value of dx is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square upon cos x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square minus root 3 into 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay, and now this integration is, that is 2 as a constant, dt, that is 1 plus t square also get cancelled, and we will get 1 minus t square minus 2 root 3 t. Okay, and now let us solve the problem, that is integration of 1 upon, now let us common out the negative sign, we will get 1 minus, the negative sign is outside the bracket, we have t square plus 2 root 3t. Okay students, now for completing square, let us adjust the term, that is now we have 1 minus t square plus 2 root 3t. So what is our formula? That is b by a whole square upon 4. b by a whole square means the square of 2 is 4, square of root 3 is 3 upon 4. So 4 get cancelled, and we have to adjust the term 3. And hence this is equal to 1 minus t square plus 2 root 3t plus 3. We have adjusted the term 3. But see students, plus 3 minus 3 and minus plus minus 3, and here we have adjusted 3 like this. And therefore this is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4, and this is square of t plus root 3 whole square. Okay, and now the integration of 1 upon 1 minus t square plus 2 root 3 with respect to t, we can write this, that is integration of 1 upon, so students the 2 is also here, that is 2 as a constant, so 2 1 upon 1 minus this is equal to, we have adjusted like this, that is 1 minus the term we have adjusted, that is 4 minus, that is t plus root 3 whole square with respect to t, and therefore this is integration, that is 1 upon 4 is 2 square minus t plus root 3 whole square with respect to t, and this is of the form, that is integration of 1 upon a square minus x square with respect to x, and its integration is 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus constant of integration c. Okay students, the 2 is missing here. So now integration, that is 2 into integration of 1 upon 2 square minus t plus root 3 whole square with respect to t. This is 2 as it is, 1 upon 2a means 2 into a. The value of a is 2. Then log of a plus x means 2 plus t plus root 3 a plus x upon 2 minus t plus root 3 plus constant of integration c, and this is 1 by 2 log of 1 by 2 log of, here we substitute the value of t, that is 2 plus tan of x by 2 tan of x by 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus tan of x by 2 plus root 3 plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problem, and which is solution of 1 upon cos of x minus root 3 sin of x with respect to x. This is the solution of this integration. In this way we have to solve the problem. Okay.